In today's video, I will tell you a best MACD trading strategy by learning which you can generate a very good profit. MACD is a very famous indicator used by traders, but many people make a mistake, which is using MACD completely alone. Because MACD in a ranging market keeps giving us fake signals continuously, we often have to face heavy losses. So before starting the main strategy, I will describe MACD bullish crossovers and bearish crossovers. MACD means Moving Average Convergence Divergence. In MACD, there are mainly two lines, the MACD line and the signal line. These two lines give us buy and sell signals through crossovers. So, when the MACD line crosses the signal line from below to above under the zero line, this is a bullish crossover, meaning it is a buy signal. And whenever the MACD line crosses the signal line from above to below over the zero line, then it is a bearish signal, which means it is a sell signal. If you have understood up to here, then we can proceed towards the strategy. For our first strategy, we will use the 200 Exponential Moving Average along with MACD. This strategy is very simple. In this strategy, we will use the 200 Moving Average as a support and resistance. When the 200 Exponential Moving Average is above the price, it acts as resistance, and when the 200 Exponential Moving Average is below the price, it acts as support. Let's understand this strategy with the help of an example. Here you can see the moving average is above the price, meaning the moving average will act as resistance now. Next, you can see at this point, the stock price has come near the moving average. From here, there is a possibility that the stock price might go down. So for confirmation, you must wait for MACD's bearish crossover. If a bearish crossover happens in MACD above the zero line near the price, and still the stock price remains below the moving average, then you can safely sell here. Let's see another example. Here you can see the moving average price is below the candle, which means the moving average will act as support here. Next, you can see at this point, the stock price has come near the moving average. From here, there is a possibility that the stock price might go back upwards. Therefore, for confirmation, you must wait for a bullish crossover of MACD. If a bullish crossover occurs below the zero line, and the candle here is still above the moving average, then you can buy here. Our next strategy is where we will use MACD combined with price action. Let's continue the video. Here you can see a downtrend where the stock is going down while making lower lows and lower highs. Because this is a downtrend, we will draw the trend line above the price. Here you can see at this level, the price gets rejected multiple times and goes down, so we have drawn a trend line at this level. Next, you can see that at this point, a bullish crossover occurs in MACD. But you shouldn't take an immediate trade. You must wait for the actual trend line breakout. Next, at this point, it is visible that a green candle broke the trend line. If on the next day, the high of this green candle is broken, then you can buy here. Let's see another example. Here you can see the stock is in an uptrend, going up while making higher highs and higher lows. Since this is an uptrend, we will draw the trend line below the price. Next, you can see that at this point, a bearish crossover occurs in MACD. But we should not take an immediate trade. We must wait for the trend line breakdown. Next, at this point, you can see that this red candle has broken the trend line. If on the next day, any candle breaks the low of this candle, then you can sell here. If you don't know how to draw trend lines or levels of support and resistance, then I have made a separate video for you. You can watch it by clicking here. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.